Hey, what's up? It's Birdie Printing. So, if you have a MakerWorld account, please follow me. There's no reason not to. It's BTAS Cards Printing. It's in my YouTube description. I'll boost your models. I'll download your models. Please download my models, because every time you download one of my models, that gives me 8 cents. So you download 12 of my models. That's basically $1 right there. You did nothing. And then you just select all 12 and delete them. That's fine. Doesn't bother me. But if you decide to print one of these really cool models, let me know how it turns out. Have a great day. See you again.